This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche Panamera versus the Nissan GT-R. We'll explore what makes each of these high-performance machines unique, from their core design philosophies to their on-road capabilities. Whether you prioritize luxury, raw speed, or daily usability, understanding their differences is key. Let's dive into the details to help you decide which car better suits your needs and driving style. When it comes to performance, both cars are incredibly potent. The Panamera, especially in its hybrid forms, can boast up to 771 horsepower, offering blistering acceleration. The GT-R, with its legendary twin-turbo V6, delivers between 565 and 600 horsepower, launching to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.5 seconds. While the Panamera blends power with refinement, the GT-R is a pure, unadulterated speed demon, built for thrilling track performance and aggressive handling. Inside, the Panamera offers a truly luxurious experience, featuring a modern cockpit with a 12.6-inch instrument display and a 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. It provides ample space and comfort for 4 adults, along with practical cargo capacity. The GT-R's interior, while upscale with premium materials and an 8-inch touchscreen, is more driver-centric and less spacious. Its rear seats are better suited for children or short trips, reflecting its focus on performance over grand touring comfort. Considering value, the Panamera's starting price is around $104,795, while the GT-R begins at approximately $121,090. Top-tier versions of both can easily exceed $220,000. The Panamera is ideal if you seek a luxurious, comfortable, and powerful daily driver that can still thrill. However, if your priority is uncompromising, track-ready performance and a raw driving experience, the Nissan GT-R remains an iconic choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.